So we had a little accident with the side view mirror, not really that big of a deal, but it cracked the glass and then took the glass off. The motor on the inside was bad too, so we have to replace this entire piece. It goes on the Dodge Ram 1500. So we've already got it off for you today, but we're going to show you how to put it all back together. So this is the inside of the door, and what we found out, we thought it was going to be a really easy replacement by taking out these bolts right here and here and here, but we found out that the wiring harness plugs in down here. My son took it out. I can't remember where it plugs back into, but anyway, it plugs in down here. Oh, right there. And so we had to take the side of the door off. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and put the mirror back on, attach it to here, and we'll reattach the wiring harness, and then we'll put the side panel back on. Got someone to help you. You just gotta get your screws lined up, get your mirror on the outside. It's got a foam piece there that keeps the air out and the noise out, so you gotta make sure that's sealed tightly. And this mirror was ordered from carparts.com. It was 130 bucks for the entire thing. It's a heated mirror. Looks original, looks just like the one that broke. Push it in there for me a little bit. So we're gonna put these screws back on, and then we'll show you how to hook the wiring harness up and then putting the panel back on. All right, so we've got these screwed down pretty tight, not all the way tight. We're gonna take a look at this side to see how it looks. It's pretty tight. All right, so we got the 3 screws in real tight. We checked the outside of it, looks good and snug. And now we gotta take this wiring harness and plug it in. Okay. Click, sounds good. All right, now we're gonna test it to make sure it moves. Oh yeah, looking good. Now we're gonna put the door panel back on, and what you wanna notice are these little holes right here. And that's where, if you look at this door panel, you see those clips right here. Those clips are gonna go down in those holes. And then there's a couple other tricks, so I'll show you as we do that. We wanna get this up over the top. I'm trying to do it one-handed here. Someone come help me. There we go. And then you got to take the handle, pull the handle out, stick it through there. There we go. All right, now we'll see if we can't find those clips that we were talking about. See if we can't set those down in there. And what we're looking for is for these holes to be lined up over here. All right, so the panel is back on. You can see the holes are lined up. And we have these little pieces here that you'll have to pry out using a flathead screwdriver. Actually, this one is still inside there. That actually comes out of that little sheath there. And I'll just pry out with a flathead screwdriver. All we're going to do is just pop these back in. And I might hit it there with a little bit of a hammer or some force. It should go in no problem. And we're going to work all those back in all the way around the door frame. So when you're taking this apart, you've got to get all of these pieces out. And then the last thing we're going to do, there's a screw right here that goes in behind the handle. We're going to put that back in. All right, we want to put in, so to take the door off and have access to it, we disconnected this, and this is the window and door lock. So we're going to put that back in and show you how we do it. backwards? No, it's backwards. It is. Flipped around. There we go. All right, everything works. All right, so this is our last step. This is gonna be your first step when you go to take yours off, is you're gonna pop this panel off right here, and my son's gonna pop it back in there right now. That's it. And all you're gonna do to get this off there is just run a screwdriver around that edge there and just kind of pry it. It should come right off. And so there we go. Brand new mirror. Looks great. Takes about a half hour if you know what you're doing. And 130 bucks in parts. Be sure to like and subscribe. YouTube, quit sending me checks because I don't have enough subscribers. I will get money again the more of you all subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.